In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy and sell crypto on Webull. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just exploring the world of cryptocurrency, Webull provides a user-friendly platform to make your transactions straightforward and secure. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open the Webull app or use the Webull Pay platform on your device. Make sure you're signed into your account as you'll need access to your personal dashboard to proceed. Once you're logged in, head over to the crypto section. This is where you can view all the available cryptocurrencies that you can trade on the platform. Webull offers a range of options, from the popular Bitcoin and Ethereum to other emerging cryptocurrencies, so take a moment to explore what's available. Once you've decided which cryptocurrency you want to trade, select it. For instance, if you're interested in Bitcoin, simply tap on it to bring up the trading options. To purchase crypto, locate and tap the buy button at the bottom of your screen. This will prompt you to enter the amount you wish to purchase. It's important to consider your budget and investment strategy here, so enter an amount that aligns with your financial goals. After inputting the amount, you'll need to choose your order type. Webull offers different order types, such as market orders, which execute at the current market price, and limit orders, which execute only at a specified price. Carefully select the one that best suits your trading needs. Before finalizing, review all the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, tap Next and confirm your purchase. Now, if you're looking to sell crypto, the process is just as simple. Start by selecting the cryptocurrency you wish to sell from your holdings. Once you've selected it, tap Sell. Enter the amount you want to sell and choose your order type, just like you did when buying. Again, it's crucial to review all the details thoroughly before proceeding. Once everything looks good, tap Next and confirm the transaction. And there you have it. That's how to buy and sell crypto on Webull. By following these steps, you can seamlessly navigate the crypto market and make informed trading decisions right from the convenience of your Webull app. Thank you for watching and happy trading.